product composition, main unit, power cable, charging cable, test cable set, voltage acquisition line optional, temperature acquisition line optional, temperature monitoring module optional, cell monitoring module optional, communication cable optional, USB disk, device wiring, connect the power cable. Ensure normal power supply. Connect the charging power cable. Ensure normal power supply. Then, connect the test cable set red positive and black negative. Take care to tighten to the right. The twisting total voltage collection wires also need to be connected, red positive and black negative. Black clamp connect to total negative battery terminal. Red connect to total positive terminal. Wiring of temperature monitoring module optional. Attach the temperature acquisition line to the battery cell according to the serial number in order. The wires labeled 1 to 12 connect to the positive pole of the 1/12 batteries. Then, connect the acquisition line to the module. The communication cable connect the module and the device at each end. When wiring is complete, the yellow light on the module will blink. Wiring of cell monitoring module optional. One module support 12 cells connection. Now take 12 cells as an example. The acquisition line is divided into 12 positive, red and 1 negative black. Each wire is labeled. Black line labeled 0. Connect on the negative pole of the first battery. Red line labeled 1 to 12 connect to the positive pole of the 1/12 battery. Then, connect the acquisition line to the module. The communication cable connect the module and the device at each end. After wiring is complete, the green light on the module will blink. Parameter settings. Turn on the power switch. Wait for about 3 seconds to enter the main page. The following is an example of 12 cells discharge test. Click Discharge to enter the test template page. The device has been preset with 6 template parameters to choose from. To modify, select the appropriate template and click Modify. Car ID, set as needs. Test mode, can choose normal or BMS mode. Cells, refer to the actual number of battery cells. Cell order, refer to the wiring of battery 1 DIS maxer, set the max discharge current allowed. Exceeding the set value, the device will stop and alarm. Allow bad cells, set the number of faults allowed. Exceeding the set value, the device will stop and alarm. Battery ID, set as needs. Battery kind, refer to actual battery type. Remodules, refer to the actual number of cell monitoring modules. Interval, time interval for automatic data saving during operation. CHA maxer, set the max allowable charging current. Exceeding the set value, the device will stop and alarm. Tester ID, set as needs. Group volt, setting the max voltage of the group battery. Exceeding the set value, the device will stop and alarm. T modules, refer to the actual number of temperature monitoring modules. NOR cap, refer to actual battery capacity. T limit, set the max allowable temperature of battery cell. Exceeding the set value, the device will stop and alarm. After setup, click Return, confirm to enter the discharge test page for parameter setting. A limit, take 100 hours as an example. Time limit, HM, set 10 hours. Cell law limit, V, set 3 volts. Group law limit, V, set 70 volts. Current set, set to A. Start mode, CC equals constant current, CP equals constant power. Click Cell to view the cell voltage and cell temperature. Click Start, OK to start the discharge test. To pause discharging, click Face. Click Go on to continue discharging. To stop discharging, click Stop. The following describes the charge test. Click Charge to enter the test template page. Select the desired template and click Modify to set the template. Refer to the previous steps to parameterize the template according to needs. After setup, click Return, confirm to enter the charge test page for parameter setting. A limit, take 40 hours as an example. Time limit, HM, set 10 hours. Cell high limit, V, set 3.65 volts. Voltage set, V, set 90 volts. Current set, set to A. Click Cell to view the cell voltage and cell temperature. Click Start, OK to start the charge test. The following describes the circuit test. Click Circuit Test to enter the test template page. Select the desired template and click Modify to set the template. Refer to the previous steps to parameterize the template according to needs. After setup, click Return, confirm to enter the circuit test page for parameter setting. Discharge parameters on the left, current set, set to 5A. Group load limit, V, set 70 volts. Time limit, HM, set 10 hours. A limit, R, 40R. Cell load limit, V, set to 0.8 volts. Charge parameters on the right, current set, set to 5A. Voltage set, V, set 90 volts. Time limit, HM, set 10 hours. A limit, R, set 40R. Cell high limit, V, set 3.65 volts. Cycle times, set as needs, check 3 times as an example. Click Start, OK to start the circuit test. Data export. Insert the USB disk into the device. Click Data to enter the data management page. Select the test data and click Export, OK to export. Click ESC to exit this page and unplug the USB disk. PC software use. Insert the USB disk into the computer and open it. This TXT file is the data exported from the device. The zip is the installation package of the PC software. Copy the zip to your computer and unzip it. Open the unzipped folder and find up a machine system.exe. Right mouse click, Send, desktop shortcut. Then, right-click, select Run as administrator to enter the login page. Switch the language to English and enter the password 13,982. Enter the data management system and click Data Management. Click Add to import the TXT test file from the USB disk. Select the imported data and click Confirm to enter the data page. Before generating the report, we need to go through the catalog on the left side in turn. Then click Data Report. Export templates can be filled in as needed. Export documents in either Excel or Word format.